Let's see how to block any Facebook user who are bothering us on Facebook. Once we open the Facebook app, this is the screen we first see. We need to click the profile icon in right side of the screen. Next, we need to click Settings and Privacy tab. And again, we need to click the Settings tab. We need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here we have the blocking option. We need to click the Blocking tab. And in this screen, you can see I have blocked 2 Facebook users already. We need to click this Add to Blocked list to block people on our Facebook profile. Next, we need to type the name of the person we want to block. And from the list of Facebook user, we need to select the person we want to block. This person named Kevin has been added to blocked list. Kevin won't be able to access or communicate with us on Facebook. I am hoping this content was of help to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates.